Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here and welcome you all to my channel. In this session, I'm just going to discuss about one more option scanner based on the EOD. So mainly based on indicator Camarilla R4 breakout and also finding a 2 days Camarilla relationship that values compared to the last 2 days. So because I just tried many scanners in charting previously, but charting doesn't provide option data, so we are developing some tools to identify in a option segment. So that helps us to find some intraday opportunities or even a positional opportunities. So by using the Camarilla R4, so this is what a Camarilla R4 levels on a particular stock or a chart. So here we try to find inside and outside narrow Camarillas. So finding out by using an option chart, it would be very difficult. But we have the scanners that is helping you to find out such things that I'm going to discuss here. Okay, so let me try kind of things which is happening. So inside a narrow, outside, something like that. We have to find it. So if this particular 2 days levels we consider as a inside level, okay, I'll show you what I'm just talking about. This particular day I'm just saying it's a inside level, okay, this particular marking. So now you can see that R4 and S4, the next days R4 and S4 inside between this previous day's level. So it's this we consider as a inside level. So another one, if I want to find a narrow, so if anything is available, I will tell you the narrow Camarilla which I try to find with the tool. Here any narrow, I think this is a Nifty where I'm just tracking. I can't be able to find out any narrow. Okay, so narrow, what we are saying, whatever the levels of today, that should be exactly inside between R3 and S3, the today's R4 and S4. So this is what a stock where we can expect R4 or S4 breakdown or breakout. So that is also we are trying to find out with that scanner. And another one, a higher value or lower value. So for an example, today's level, there is no gap between the next day, so this is called higher, and if there is no gap between today and yesterday, this is lower. So such a kind of a thing which forms in any option chart. So how do I find out the option strike price? I will take today's closing price, and based on that we are selecting ATM, call and put option. So we fetched the Camarilla values of this two and also fetching the same strike price previous day's values. So after finding this 2 days value, we are doing the comparison. So it will be automatically finding out and it will tell us so what are the things is happening. So for an example, we need a bow copy from NSE. Then if you upload it with this tool, and it will be going to deliver you what are the stocks which forming. So and also another top 10 results which we can easily sort by volume, open interest, change in open interest, that is also available. So if I'm just making a top 10, so for example today's scenario, if I want to add today, I want to find out means 7th. If you are using a 7th, you will be getting 8th data. Sorry, 8th is the last trading. If you want to find it today, first day is in 8th and previous day is in 7th. So after uploading a bow copy, so if you scan this report, it will be telling you what are the stock which forming is such a pattern. So I'm just opening this Excel file, and it will be finding out the raw data and narrow Camarilla. So for example, BHEL 405. So it is exactly ATM strike price. It is a narrow. Let me check whether it is right. BHEL 405. It's a put option. Okay, so I think 5 minutes. You can look at this. This is what a thing. So it is very narrow inside between R3 and S3. So maybe a breakout that has broken that level and it went immediately some move. So but first candle we normally not consider the breakout. Okay, so this is what an inside. let's try for narrow. And the second one is inside, many stocks inside, like BHL also comes in inside. Let me check randomly any one. KI 5100. So these are all the things which we that particular scanner will filter out. This is a call side, that KEI 5100, which I mentioned 4100. So call side. This is what inside. Inside means it is inside between R4 and S4 of previous day, but narrow R3 and S3 inside total days change. And some more things which we find it out is an higher value. So TI India 3060, that is higher value means it is not touching to the previous day, that is it is not relating, or it is greater than the exactly total value is greater than the previous day's R4 value. Same like that S4, lower value, it is down, PNB 108. Let me check. These are all the 4 things which we filter out based on this particular scanner. This is an entirely PNB, it's a PNB 108 lower MSC. To check, it doesn't have liquidity showing higher value, just will check it. Lower value and Axis Bank 1270. This is a lower value. So exactly from that previous day, now it is entirely lower than this. So these 4 all the based on this Camarilla. And last sheet top 10 which we are out good. So comparing to that same strike price, previous day's value. So changes in the open interest. How much open interest is changed on that particular highest number of changes. And here change in open interest, change in OI. Here top 10 open interest, top 10 change in open interest. So where most of this open interest change will not give you any clue, but there is another tool, top 10 volume and the transaction, that maybe give you some clue. This is the thing, today 1000 on SBI and both volume and transaction. So maybe you can track today. So end of the day, I'm just we are not providing any tips or tricks here, just to check what is happening. This is what happening. So yesterday is a huge volume and that is continuous. Yesterday more than a huge volume, that today it continues the level and it continues. Maybe you can find out any breakout or even R4 also, that is giving you such a good move. And any other things which is common, Titan both the sides C, but today it works on B. Let me check Titan 4550. Okay, Titan 4550. This is happening by on Friday's data. Okay, and we are comparing today. So it is a gap down. It's a huge gap down and it is moving lower. Titan 4540 call option. So let me check Titan 4550 put option. That is giving you such a good movement from 279. It went up to 400. Also the same which came into our intraday scanner, that intraday option scanner, in the morning itself. From the morning it was keep on rising and that gives you such a good breakout on this particular stocks. That is working very good and fine. So this is what the details about our intraday Camarilla, like top 10 contracts by yesterday's and today, and we are comparing with any good list, good volumeable stock that we can track here from that particular list. Okay, so that is what the scanner. So if you want to know more about the scanners, and also we have a positional scanner with the course and intraday scanner, which is going to be find out the intraday values. So let me show you that intraday scanner. This is what a premium scanners which is we are going to give you one-time setup. So if you are anyone interested, so you can just ping me here and you can just you can install and you can use it for a lifetime also. So as per today's scenario, Titan, one more stock, these are all at the end of the time. So 4350 from almost 120 in the morning to almost 193. And one more stock which is in the top is not this, a different one. I think one more stock which I see that is also moved well. Let me tell you what is the stock which is in the morning. I was just tracking that also. One more thing. First one is this. Second one I just forgot the name of that. So that is also moves in the beginning, and then later on it came down. So because it is an intraday scanner, we try to find some one or two opportunities with that particular intraday scanner. And one more thing which we have positional, that is related to the course. So if anyone who are really interested to learn about the positional strategy along with this scanner, then it would be working for you. And this is what this weekly data. So yesterday we made a video updating this, and we have a Titan loop in. So for an example, Titan is 239. So whether it is triggered today, so maybe possibly we can find a 4550, whether it is possibly give an opportunity or not. So our breakout point on this somewhere around 239. I think this is not a possibly entry. Okay, this is gap up in the first 5 minutes itself. It is closed somewhere 260. So it would not be a possible opportunity, but loop in 2380 108. In that put option is 108. That maybe possibly you can get on the second candle. Initially it triggers and closed by even first candle itself. In the second candle we have an opportunity from 108, and that went to 150. Almost some good move, and closing itself 146. This is relating to the course and which we are going to do with the hedging strategies. Intraday is based on the price volume, and this Camarilla is based on the Camarilla pivot points. So these are all the new scanners which are recently developed, and one more is monthly IV, that is also relating to the course. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you required any details, you just ping me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.